Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to focus on vocabulary, and we'll be exploring some interesting and useful words in English, as well as their meanings and usage. So let's get started. Ambivalent, adjective meaning, having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. Example, I'm ambivalent about going to the party tonight. On one hand, I want to socialize and have fun, but on the other hand, I'm feeling a bit tired and introverted. Serendipity, noun meaning, the occurrence and development of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Example, meeting my best friend at a coffee shop was pure serendipity. We hadn't seen each other in years, and both happened to be in the same place at the same time. Ephemeral, adjective meaning, lasting for a very short time, fleeting or transitory. Example, the beauty of cherry blossoms is ephemeral. They only bloom for a few weeks each year, but their vibrant colors and delicate petals make them a popular sightseeing attraction. Tenacious, adjective meaning, holding fast, persistent, stubborn or determined. Example, my boss is a tenacious negotiator. She never gives up until she gets what she wants, and she's known for securing some very lucrative deals for our company. Visceral, adjective meaning, relating to deep inward feelings rather than to the intellect, instinctive or emotional. Example, watching a touching movie can evoke a visceral response in some people, causing them to cry or feel overwhelmed with emotion. So there you have it, 5 new words to add to your English vocabulary. Remember to practice using them in sentences and to keep expanding your knowledge of the language. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.